Want to start your NISM preparation? Just follow these simple steps. nismexams.in is an online platform where you can prepare for NISM exams with 2025 updated mock tests, questions, and a smart dashboard. To register step 1, open the website www.nismexam.in. Step 2, click on Free Demo on the home page. Step 3, select your exam. Step 4, click on New Registration and fill in your name, state, email, mobile number, and password. Step 5, click on Submit to complete your registration. If you're already registered, then simply enter your email and password and click Login to log in. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password, enter your email, and reset it in just 2 minutes. To access your dashboard, after logging in, your dashboard will appear where you can start the demo test. After the demo, if you wish, you can upgrade to the paid plan directly from the same page. Your complete test history, scores, and progress reports, everything will be available on your dashboard. Start your NISM preparation the smart way, with short notes, concept-based video lectures, and updated mock tests with detailed explanations. Only on NISM exams, in your preparation will now be both focused and effective. Good luck and thank you.